day that I die, and when I see you again in the sky, I'm gonna be the same old boy, still loving the same old girl. Yeah, I'm gonna be the same old boy, still loving the same old girl. Ain't nothing near changed, and it ain't ever gonna know. Bones about it, baby, ain't nobody gonna want you like the same old boy, still loving the same old girl, the same old girl. Same old girl.
We're calling all Dew Heartlanders to help choose the ultimate outdoors getaway. Buy Mountain Dew, vote, and you could win the ultimate Dew venture and fun weekly prizes. Get out and do. Visit dewventure.com or tap the banner to vote and enter for a chance to win. No purchase necessary. Ends November 22nd, 2023. Void where prohibited. Full details and official rules at dewventure.com.
At Taco Bell, we like to keep mornings simple because before 11 a.m., you're not down for whatever.
No.
You're not interested in trying new things.
No.
You want a breakfast that's toned down and delicious, like the Breakfast Crunch Wrap with fluffy eggs, sausage, melty cheese, and a crispy hash brown in a grilled tortilla.
I want to eat that.
See? You may not be a morning person, but it's morning, and you're a person. Taco Bell breakfast, served until 11 a.m. At participating Taco Bell stores during breakfast hours only while supplies last.
NFL Sunday Ticket is now on YouTube and YouTube TV, which means that you can stay close to your team even if you don't live in their town. Like, maybe you're a Raven who married a Seahawk who got a job in the land of the Falcons. With NFL Sunday Ticket, you can watch your team's out-of-market Sunday afternoon games no matter where you live, because you shouldn't have to change teams even if you change towns. NFL Sunday Ticket, now on YouTube and YouTube TV. Go to youtube.com/presale to get $50 off.
Terms and embargoes apply. Offer ends 9/19. No refund. Subscription auto renews.